All right, time to explore the two main views in the data model window, the data view and the diagram view. Now you can swap back and forth between them using these buttons right here on the right side of the ribbon. So this is data view. This is the view that we're used to seeing so far. It's the view that actually outlines the data and shows the values organized by tabs. So quick summary of data view is that you have your tables organized in individual tabs. This is where we're going to be doing things like adding columns, filtering on the headers, or exploring specific values, that type of thing. The diagram view, on the other hand, shows tables organized as individual objects. Now, this is going to be like our command center when it comes to actually assembling our model and creating those relationships between tables. Now, you can access relationship tools here in the data view as well, but the diagram view is going to be our best friend for visualizing exactly what those relationships look like. Now, don't worry too much about the other tools and the other tabs available here. We'll be walking through all of the relevant stuff throughout the next section or two, but let's hop into Excel and take a look at what these things look like. So here in Excel, I'm going to jump into my data model from the Power Pivot tab, and it defaults to the data view. Now all I need to do is press this button and it takes me to diagram view. And what you'll see here is a little object for each table that's included. So each table that we loaded through Power Query now shows up here in the diagram view. And it lists out all of the fields or columns within that table. So customer lookup had all of these columns about the customer. Store lookup has all these store related columns, product lookup, etc. Here's our transactions data table. And note that you can just click the top and drag them and move them and resize them around. You can make them narrower, wider. You can order them however you'd like. So this is where we're going to be actually building and assembling what our model looks like and how these different data tables fit together and relate to each other. And then to swap back, it's as easy as just clicking data view. Note that that doesn't open a separate window. We're still in the same data model window, just looking at different variations of the view. So there you go, data view versus diagram view.